In this video, we're going to be doing a factory data reset on a Vizio Smart TV with the buttons at the back of the unit. And even though we're not going to be using the Vizio remote control, we should have it in order to complete the setup process once the factory data reset has been completed. So in this TV, to do a factory data reset, we just need to turn the TV on. We press the power button once, and once the TV is on, we just need to go ahead and press and hold down the input button and the volume down button at the same time for 10 to 15 seconds. So we do this. We press and hold the input button, which is this one below, and the volume down button, both at the same time. So here we go.
Memory is being cleared. The TV will reset shortly.
You see? It says the memory has been cleared. Your TV will reset shortly. So we just have to wait for the TV to do the process. This may take like 1 or 2 minutes, so we just need to wait for the TV to do the process. Once the factory reset has been done, we need to go through the setup process. If you have questions or doubts about this process, I have another video where I explain to you how to go through the setup process. So please feel free to watch that video if you need help. And thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.